Hi, I'm Nathan with JTECH Digital, and we're here today to talk about the JTECH 8x8 HDMI matrix over CAT5e or CAT6 cable. The JTECH 8x8 HDMI matrix features 8 input ports that can distribute 8 HDMI sources to any 8 displays up to 165 feet away, all through CAT5e or CAT6 Ethernet cable. With this feature, you can keep all of your entertainment devices conveniently in one location and view them from anywhere in your establishment. This device can transmit up to 1080p at 60 Hz and supports independent switchable EDID settings for each display or output. It also supports LPCM 7.1 channel audio and is HDCP 1.4 compliant and can even do 3D. The 8x8 HDMI matrix also features flexible control options through local IR remote control, RS-232 PC control, Control 4 drivers, and panel buttons. The HDMI matrix even comes with built-in Wi-Fi for control via smartphone apps. Manage all of your devices with ease on any mobile device that has iOS or Android operating systems. Just open the app and choose what you want displayed on each of your 8 monitors. JTECH Digital has provided applications for iOS and Android devices, and instructions for installation are in the user manual. Thanks for watching. For more information and technical specifications on the JTECH Digital 8x8 HDMI matrix over CAT5e or CAT6 cable, please visit www.jtechdigital.com or give us a call toll-free at 888-610-2818.